Veganism, a dietary and lifestyle choice that avoids all animal products, emerged as early as the mid-1940s, when pioneering vegan activists began promoting plant-based eating for health and environmental reasons. Initially, vegans were primarily concerned about personal health outcomes and later expanded to address concerns regarding animal welfare and environmental sustainability. Key developments include Richard H. Schwartz publication of Veg Guide, a basic handbook for veganism in 1986, which outlined a comprehensive vegan diet plan with over 200 recipes. As the number of vegans grew from millions in Europe and North America by the mid-2010s to almost 4 million globally as of 2023, notable milestones include the formation of organizations like Vegan Society in London in 1894 that continues to promote veganism today. Reasons for adopting a plant-based diet are diverse. Health benefits such as reduced risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes have been widely documented. Environmental impacts from greenhouse gas emissions linked with animal agriculture were recognized around the same time. The transition from omnivorous diets has also led to innovations in food technology, leading to more convenient and palatable vegan alternatives that now outperform traditional plant-based options in taste and texture. In terms of societal impact, vegans typically consume fewer resources like water, land, and energy than their meat-eating counterparts. For example, the United Nations estimates that a global shift towards plant-based diets could reduce food-related greenhouse gas emissions by up to 70% by mid-century. Economically, while some studies indicate veganism can lead to cost savings due to reduced healthcare expenses, others suggest increased costs associated with maintaining vegan products and infrastructure. Nonetheless, it has created new job opportunities in the growing field of plant-based food innovation. Long-term projections predict continued growth, driven by increasing consumer awareness about health benefits and environmental impact. However, barriers such as lack of access to affordable vegan options remain significant challenges. As technology advances, we can anticipate even more sophisticated plant-based substitutes that further blur the line between traditional meat products and their vegan counterparts, ensuring dietary convenience for a broader spectrum of society.